What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Maths Guy. Today we are looking at how to multiply three numbers together. So let's waste no time, let's go. Okay, well, what do we need to remember today? We need to remember that multiplication is commutative. Well, what on earth does that mean? What a horrible word, commutative. Well, what it means is it doesn't matter which way round we put the question, we're still going to get the same answer. For example, if I had 5 times 2, my answer is going to be 10. But if I flicked these numbers around and put them the other way, I would have 2 times 5, and that also equals 10. Being able to flick these numbers around either way means that this question is commutative. And all of multiplication is commutative. Little side hint, multiplication and addition are commutative, but subtraction and division are not. I'll show you a quick example. 3 subtract 2 equals 1, but if I move these two around and do 2 subtract 3, I do not get 1. So we're not commutative. So how does knowing that these questions are commutative help us today? Well, it means that we can choose which part of these questions to multiply first, depending on how easy that will make it. For example, I could just go through this question in sequence and do 2 times 5 is 10, which is the first part of this question, and then 10 times 10 equals 100. So I know that the answer to 2 times 5 times 10 equals 100, but let's see if we can do that another way. This time let's start with 5 times 10. And 5 times 10 equals 50. Now I'm going to multiply it by my 2, and 50 times 2 equals 100. Same answer. So if we have a question with 3 numbers we need to multiply, we can just pick our favorite ones to do first that are easy, and then the next one. Okay, let's look at question 2. We have 3 times 3 times 3. Well, because all the numbers are the same, I may as well just start from the beginning. And 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer to 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. But the reason I've chosen to put this question up here is because I want to show you something. 3 times 3 times 3 is the same as saying we have a square with length and width of 3 each, but then we also have the third dimension, the depth is also 3. So what this means is we've made a perfect cube because all the numbers are the same. So another way of writing 3 times 3 times 3 would be to simply write 3 cubed. So we could say that 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 cubed, which also equals 27. Pretty simple, right? So what should we remember? We need to remember that multiplication is commutative. And when we are multiplying 3 numbers, we can put them in any order that will help us solve it easiest. So here are 2 questions for you. Have a go at solving these 2 questions by pressing pause on the video now and putting your answers in the comment section. Press pause, good luck. And there you have it. That is how to multiply 3 numbers together. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it was, head on over to themathshelter.com to find loads more lessons for your year group. But for now, guys, peace out.